Alright, today we're going to build a grill guard for this little Yanmar tractor. It's a SX 3100. What had happened, there was some landscapers up here using it to load mulch and stuff in their truck, and they run it into the truck and busted the hood on it. They took it and repaired it, did a pretty good job fixing it. But I told them, the school, I said we need to build a grill guard on it to prevent that from happening, because when you're loading stuff, it's easy to run into a trailer or whatever you're loading. So I may have to build it to where it'll hinge out to clear the hood. When the hood gets opened, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna have to kind of do some figuring and see what I can come up with on it. Hope I can make it rigid where I don't have to make it hinge, because they make it a lot simpler. But if I have to, I have to. We'll just see what we can do. But I'll get started. All right, we got a piece of 3/8 by 4-inch flat bar. Measured it the width of this bracket that's already there. We'll get it cut to length. Use this iron worker. Put in there and line the mark up with the blade. Looks pretty good. Bring the holder bar down a little closer. There we've got it. That'll bolt up right here across the front. Okay, we got it bolted up. Or not bolted up, clamped up. Take a piece of round soapstone, mark my hole. Probably just gonna put 2 bolt holes in it. It's got 3 in this plate, but and then I'll just center punch them and drill them out. I'm gonna get these started with a little bit smaller bit, and then I'll move up to a 5/8. Need a little bit of spray, but I don't have any handy. This is a bit that was broke, and I resharpened it. Okay. Get a cut or not? That's pretty good on that, ain't it? Now I'm going to use some of this 1-inch tubing. I'm going to go ahead and square one end of it off and cut it 2 foot long to use for my uprights. That's a good saw right there. Okay, here's what we've got so far. We're just getting it kind of tacked together. Got the two uprights. We got it spaced out enough to where the hood will open without having to make the bumper to where it'll hinge. And I made sure that the loader would clear it as well when it comes down. Not trying to win a beauty contest with it, which we're gonna put some cross braces in it, a few things, but those uprights are 24 inches tall, the pieces of tubing. Using solid wire. $19, 275 inches per minute on the wire speed. Here's our bumper after we got it painted and put back on. Nothing fancy. It's made out of some old stuff I already had. But that'll help protect that grill. Hey, if y'all will, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.